In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set Mozilla Firefox as your default browser in Windows 11. If you're ready to enhance your browsing experience, let's dive right in. To get started, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Apps from the left sidebar. Next, choose Default Apps from the options on the right. Scroll down until you find the Mozilla web browser section. Click on Set Default. And that's it. Setting Firefox as your default browser in Windows 11 is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.